My goal is to practice and make my dream comic a reality. Comic time! I should probably start by explaining what my cycle is. So, I'm thinking a lesson, then practice, then doing a 50-50 is a good way to improve. And then comes the comic. Not the comic. I have, no joke, 168 stories in my folder, and a lot of those files have multiple stories inside them, especially if they're fan comics. So I had an idea. To practice making my own comic, I'm gonna start by making smaller comics first. Just little projects to help me get familiar with how comics work in general. I'm gonna start with fan comics, and to make it easier to choose, I checked which fan comic ideas I'd written about the most. It turned out to be Avatar, Naruto, Pokemon, Mega Man, Sword Art Online, and Ruby. So I numbered them all and randomized it on Google. Number 5. And which comic within that folder? 6. Well, looks like Sword Art Online wins. So the 6th prompt in my giant Sword Art Online folder is Silica packing her bags for the camping trip and being confused why it won't go into her inventory. Most of my Sword Art Online comics are just about the character not realizing that they can't use game mechanics in real life because, they've been in a death game for more than 2 years. So I started by laying out the page and figuring out how I wanted the comic to flow. The nice thing about this prompt is that it's short enough to fit on a single page, which means I wouldn't have to overthink my first comic too much. I laid out the middle panels like this because I thought it'd help guide your eyes through the page better. Then I started sketching in the characters. And you can very clearly tell I don't really know what I'm doing yet because these figures are not great. I started cleaning everything up with a red sketch layer so I wouldn't feel pressured to make it perfect. The goal wasn't perfection. The goal was just finishing the comic. So I started with Silica's face and worked my way through the page. In hindsight, human bodies don't actually move like that. Her chest is facing one direction, while the rest of her body is doing something completely different. It should be facing forward while she's looking over her shoulder. That's definitely something I need to work on. In this panel, I think I also made her pigtail look really awkward. I haven't drawn much hair, honestly, so it still feels like I don't really know what I'm doing with it. And I'm not sure it's very clear what her hand is supposed to be doing here either. Then there's this panel. I wanted her looking over her shoulder, but it just looks awkward to me. Maybe that's another thing I'll get better at with practice. I know Sword Art Online's reputation isn't exactly the greatest these days, but the reason I've got so many stories about it is because it was my first anime. It's the series that got me into anime in the first place. So no matter how many flaws it has, I'll always have a soft spot for it. I still think it's pretty good. A lot of series copied Sword Art Online afterward, and honestly, it feels like the anime itself sometimes tried turning the story into something it wasn't. I've heard the light novels give a lot more depth to some of the characters, and Kirito isn't nearly as surrounded by love interests as the anime makes it seem. But even with all that, I do like that he's always completely committed to Asuna, who was my first strong female character. Definitely top 5 best girl. She's awesome. This is a really simple comic to start this series with, mostly because I put this project off for way too long and needed to stop overthinking it. Surprisingly, it only took about 2 hours to finish, which is kind of shocking considering there are 6 people drawn on this page. Based on my usual speed, this realistically should have taken me 6 hours, so I'll take that as a win. That's pretty much it. I think I'm gonna keep these comics black and white for now. Not only will that help me practice the fundamentals, but it'll also make them way less time-consuming to produce. Because right now, rendering isn't the point. Learning how to make comics is. So I'm gonna leave it there. And hopefully, once I've gone through this first cycle, my upload schedule will finally start becoming a real thing instead of a suggestion. See you next time!